Hello and welcome back. I'm back here at Lowe's checking out the latest tool deals and clearance tool deals that they have going on at Lowe's for this week. So be sure to subscribe for these tool deal videos where I bring them to you each week. That way you never miss out on saving some money on some good tool deals here in 2025. All right, so here we're going to start off here with the Tough Built, a 9-inch torpedo level on clearance for $34.37. It was $42.98. It has several different bubble levels in it. So you can do different pitches, different degrees, which is nice, especially if you do anything with stairs, like deck stairs. They also have this Tough Built 360-degree pocket level for $19.97, was $24.98. Nice and compact size, has magnets on it. And it has a precision rotating vial to be able to set it and identify any angle, which is convenient. Nice compact size there. Also in the tool clearance section here, they have an assortment of different tape measures and as well as different chalk lines. So to give you an example, they have a 2-pack of the Lufkin 25-foot tape measures that are $42.67 for the two. That was $49.98 there. We're only saving a few bucks on these. And they have the Craftsman 25-foot one for $7.17, was $8.98. We got a chalk line here from Irwin for $12.77. was $15.99. And they have the Lufkin Crescent version of it for $8.37, was $12.98. And they have other tape measures as well. You can get a 12-foot Craftsman high visibility one for only $2.57. And also a come along 25-foot one for only $7.17, or 30-foot one for $9.57. And it was $11.99. Some decent deals on different tape measures here. And if you're in the market, you do your own blades for your lawnmowers, they do have some blade replacements here. To give you an example, for 48-inch style blade replacements, it is a 3-pack of blades. I guess that would qualify it to make a 48-inch deck. Well, they had that priced at only $25.42, and it was $50.98. They also have a 22-inch universal blade with an adapter for only $10.92, and it was $21.98. So different deals with the lawnmower blades. They also have on clearance this Craftsman 20-volt pole saw for $149, was $169 there. And they have a Skill 40-volt one brushless pole saw for $179, and it was $199 there. They also have different deals on tractor tires. They have the 16-inch one that's for $39.92, and it was $79. So if you need to replace some tractor tires, they have some here. So be sure to check your store for the different clearance deals they have. And this is in the back aisle clearance section. Still running some deals on the DeWalt portable wet dry vacuum. They have this Stealth Sonic one. It's 50% quieter than others that they say. I have read on online reviews, they do say it is actually quieter than other vacuums, so it's a good thing. This includes different attachments and hoses. This is rated at 5 horsepower, 9 gallons, 50% quieter. So they have this priced at 99 bucks. It was $129. It is good until May 7th. Then they also have a larger one here that is a 5.5 horsepower one. Has similar attachments as the other. It's also a 12-gallon one, so 5.5 horsepower, 12-gallon, priced at only $119, and it was $139. That's also good until May 7th. And they have another Warner deal for 8-foot fiberglass ladder. They have this deal priced at $139, and it was $179. And you do have until April 30th for that deal. This one in particular is rated at 300-pound load capacity. This will be great for doing electrical work since it is fiberglass. If you're in need of an extension ladder, they have this one. It is a Warner 20-foot one, fiberglass. The deal price at only $249, and it was $299. If you like this video, I would appreciate it that you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. They have this Boss Stitch 18-gauge pneumatic finish stapler for only $119, and it was $139. They also have a 16-gauge finish nailer for $159. That was $199. And then also the Boss Stitch roofing nailer. It's a 15-degree one for only $179. It was $219. And if you need something cordless, such as the pin nailer by Craftsman, they have this 20-volt one for only $149, and it was $179. And also from Craftsman, they have a 21-degree framing nailer, tool only, priced at only $299. It was $329. And they also have a deal on the Boss Stitch 18-gauge pneumatic brad nailer for only 99 bucks, and it was $129. They have a deal going on with this Kobalt 8-gallon, 150 max PSI, 83 decibels. They have this deal priced at $159, and it was $209. Makes it a better deal compared to the one that is only a 3-gallon hot dog air compressor. So better deal to go with a bigger one. This is also oil-free motor. They say it's good for inflation, finish nailer and stapler, framing, roofing type nailers. It's intermittent for paint spraying and a ratchet. If you're going to be doing a lot of work with the paint sprayer ratchet, you need to go with a bigger tank. And they say it's not suited for sanding, grind and cut, chisel, and impact wrench. That would command a lot of air. So to pair the Kobalt compressor, you can go with the 1/4 inch by 25-foot hose for only $18.98. It was normally priced at $24.98. It's like a clear, looks like almost a little bit of a braided hose. Looks pretty nice. Not a bad deal for only 19 bucks there. They have a deal on this Metabo HPT. It is a 3.5-inch plastic collated framing nailer. They have that priced at $159, and it was $199. You can shoot up to 3.5 inches and on down to 2-inch size framing nails. And they have the Metabo HPT coil framing nailer. It shoots up to 3.5-inch coil nails. They have this priced at only $269, and it was $299. They are still doing these DeWalt deals. It's good until the end of the month, so April 30th you can get these DeWalt 2-pack of 2-amp-hour batteries for 59 bucks, or the 12-volt Extreme Drill Driver Kit for 99, saving 50, and also a 12-volt Extreme Impact Driver Kit with 2 batteries for 99 bucks, saving 50, and the 20-volt Hammer Drill Kit for only 119, saving 60. That's not a bad deal there, but this would be it does say brushless, so that's an excellent deal. This is the one I would not go with because this is a brushed tool combo kit. It's both the impact driver and drill. 20-volt with a charger for only $139, saving 80. And then for $179, you can get a 2-pack of the 6-amp-hour batteries, saving 60 bucks there. And other options they have here from DeWalt is a 3-tool combo kit that includes a 6.5-inch circular saw, 2 5-amp-hour batteries, a drill driver, and a impact driver for only $349, and it was $399 there. And they have a 4-tool combo kit here, 20-volt DeWalt with 1 5-amp-hour battery and a power stack battery. And you get the hammer drill, impact driver, flashlight, and a reciprocating saw in a bag. And charger for only $399. For $199, you can get the new hydraulic impact driver. Not a bad deal there. And also the suction lifter. That's a new item out for only $249. They have this DeWalt 27-piece tough grip rapid load system here of different bits and a few different drill bits. They have this with a deal price at only $14.98, and it was $19.98. And they also have this DeWalt 30-piece screwdriving bit set. It comes in a hard case. They have this price at only $12.98, and it was $14.98. And here's a DeWalt 10-piece reciprocating saw blade set with a hard case to be able to store the blades in. They have this with a deal price at only $15.98, and it was $19.98. It's good until April 25th for that one. That's too many blades for you. They do have a Bosch set here. It's 7 pieces. So you can cut a variety of different materials with these different blades. They have that price at only $9.98. It was $15.98. And you also have until $4.25 for that deal. They have a couple different deals going on with the Klein tools, the professional shears, the 10-inch ones here. They have them priced at $14.98, and it was $19.98. They have a smaller version one here. It's the compact professional shears, also priced at the same at $14.98. It was $19.98. They have this Craftsman Overdrive 80-piece set in both SAE and metric. Comes with 12 pieces that are 1/4-inch drive, 33 pieces in 3/8 drive, and then 35 miscellaneous pieces. So it only has the 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch ones. So these are the different sockets it comes with and bits. They have this at a deal price at 99 bucks. It was $149. Better to go with this one versus the one that's only a 49 piece for the same price. And they also have available a 121 piece Craftsman overdrive socket set and wrench set as well. So it includes different size wrenches. It also has 15 pieces of 1/2 inch drive, 35 pieces 3/8 drive, and 15 pieces 1/4 inch drive, and then 10 of the different wrenches and 46 pieces of other tools. They have that with a deal price at $149, was $199 there. If that's too much for you, then they do have an 83 piece regular Craftsman set in both SAE and metric. It's a socket set as well as some different bits as well. They have that deal price at $59.98. It was $79.98. And they also have this Craftsman 189 piece socket set, priced at only $149, and it was $189. And they also have this 298 piece socket set with different bits, as well as it has some wrenches included in it. That's priced at only $249. It was $349, so saving $100 there. And here's some deals going on with the Craftsman 20 volt system. They have the 4 amp hour battery for $49, the 6 amp hour battery for $69, a 3 tool combo kit with a flashlight for $149. They're counting the flashlight as a tool. It includes a drill, impact driver, and reciprocating saw. Also has 2 batteries and a charger. Not bad there. And then for $159 is the 1/2 inch brushless impact wrench. Includes a battery and charger, saving $70 there. And then for $249, you can go with an 8 tool combo kit that includes a flashlight, a drill, fan, impact driver, jigsaw, orbit sander, oscillating tool, and a circular saw. You can get all those 8 tools for only $249. Not bad there. So they also have from Craftsman the 20 volt battery starter kit for $99. It includes a 4 amp hour battery and a 2 amp hour battery and charger. And then for $99 you can get a string trimmer kit that includes a battery and charger there. And also $99 they have this 3/8 inch tool only ratchet for $99. And for $59 they have this 4.5 inch grinder that is tool only for $59. And then you can also go with a little hand vac here from Craftsman 20 volt for only $39 there. They have this Craftsman 3/4 inch drive pair head ratchet on clearance for only $66.47, and it was $94.98. This thing looks like a beast. Obviously it is, because it's 3/4 drive. Not a bad deal there. And then here's some deals going on with the Kobalt. They have for $59.98 a 4 volt battery, saving $20 there. And then for $19 you have your choice of either going with a drill driver or impact driver. And those each come with a battery and charger. So $99 your choice. They're both brushless. And they have for $99 the reciprocating saw, 24 volt, saving $30. And they have the 24 volt high torque impact wrench for $199, saving $70 there. Includes a battery and charger. And then for $249 is the 4 tool combo kit, which includes a drill driver, impact driver, flashlight, and a reciprocating saw. So they have that kit for $249, saving $50 there. They have this Klein Tools red pocket laser level for only $29.98. It was $39.98 based on the sign. And it uses 2 AAA batteries as a 3-axis adjustable body. So it has magnets on the bottom to be able to mount it to different metal surfaces. So it'll be a nice little laser to have. They also have for $29.98 a 100-foot laser distance measurer. It was $34.98. It is nice and compact. Not bad. Now, if you found some good tool deal savings, I would appreciate it. You give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. And they also have the Metabo HPT. They also have the Metabo it's the noisiest store, I swear.